gems, dating gems from Quirino Imo, Ma'am She, and Ma'am Angelica. So, hindi ko na sila ipapakilala na nila ang sarili nila sa inyo. So, simulan mo na, Ma'am She.
Hi, I am Cheryl A. Fabian, and I work as hydrologist for almost 5 years at Quirino Irrigation Management Office.
From what year ka nagsimula?
I think it's 2020.
And then,
July 2025.
And hi, I'm Angelica Flores. I work as Engineer A and Materials Engineer of the Planning Design Unit and the Construction Management Unit. I started working at NIA since January 2020 until October 2024.
Pagpasok mo yung NIA, sabay ka halos?
Yes, magka-batch ko.
Pag-graduate, parang nalala ko yung batch mo, 5 kayo, ang time ninyo. How was the experience? Isa lang naman yung pagpasok ninyo sa inyo.
Ang saya kasi parang makakarap kami yung bagong family. Kasi parang magbubarkada lang kami. Sabay-sabay kami. Then naabutan pa natin yung pandemic agad. Parang ilang months na ang pandemic.
Yeah, and we're like brothers and sisters talaga since yung aming mga age gap is talaga very close. And they are super hardworking na mga katrabaho. So, nakakahawang vibe.
So, para sa ating mga audience, si Ma'am She at Ma'am Angge ay both sila ay taga-planning design and survey unit, mostly yung kanilang mga work. And magka-team sila, magka-unit sila. So, pagpapag niyo po ba sa NIA, ideally, yun mo po ba talaga yun? Yung kapagaling na yun, at yung mas makapasukan na yun. Legal po ka man.
Yes, I think bago ako mag-apply is I'm very sure na this is what I like and this is what I want.
Same sa akin. Kasi in-offer sa akin manage ng quality control. Kasi materials engineer ako. So that time, binigay sa akin assignment na yun na i-maintain yung quality control sa office na. And bonus na napunta din ako sa planning and design.
Bakit NIA? Ang daming, diba, civil engineers mo. Bakit NIA yung napili? Pwede ng LGU, pwede ng capital PGO, pwede ng number 1, parang naisip ko pagtrabawan number 1 dati is DPWH, why NIA? Or first work ko ba na yung
My part, I start my working career at DPWH. But then, I can say that it's the opportunity, greater, faster, I think, to develop my skills and to share everything I have. So, NIA opens an opportunity for me to share my ability and my knowledge, my expertise. And it turns out to be one of the best decisions I made.
Sa akin naman, OJT ako, ay si Nia na doon ako magtatrabaho talaga. Kasi parang hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko na work sa irrigation systems, ganun design. Pero nung nag-work ako, doon ako sa mga private companies. Then one time, yung trabaho yung lumapit sa akin, which is si Nia mismo. Kaya since ko yung opportunity na i-grab yung job. And then, eventually, na gustuhan ko na din at in-embrace ko yung media. Yun nga lang, kailangan kong bitawan ng media dahil mas pinili ko.
So, ito na, ang pinaka-abangan ng ating mga audience. Ano yung pinaka-greatest story na ma-share natin sa ating mga viewers regarding your stay with me? Wala na sila.
Madami. Ma-enjoy talaga doon yung field works kasama yung team. Hindi mo ina-expect yung mga trabaho kung dadagnan sa field na doon mo lang unang naranasan yung saya, yung memories. Hindi ka lang nagtatrabaho, doon mag-enjoy ka din. And nandun talaga yung teamwork, hindi nawawala yun. Kaya parang hindi nagiging trabaho, parang nagiging routine lang siya na napakagaan, parang hindi mo feel na nakakapagod.
Yes. You know what? Nung magpapaalam ako ng Marisa niya, I'm second guessing. I'm having my second thoughts. Kasi it's really hard to establish a reputation sa isang trabaho. It's been so hard na talagang hating-hati yung decision mo. The greatest story na I can share during my stay in India is maybe I found a second family which I can lean on. Kahit na you have problems is nandyan sila para mapatawa ka. Pagpasok mo pa lang is nagbibigay na sila ng kakaibang energy para mabago yung mood mo. And while working, of course, napaka-importante kasi ng mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. It makes the work easier. Definitely makes the work easier. And in that way, mas nagiging fruitful or nagkakaroon ng magandang output kung ano ginagawa niyo. Kasi you are doing willingly and passionately and syempre with a great team na nakasuportan.
Speaking of routines, meron ba kayong sana ginawa ko dati? Meron ba kayong ganun thoughts na siguro kung nasabi ko to, siguro kung nagawa ko to, may ganun, kung mabibigyan ng pagkakataon, ano yung mga regrets na sana nagawa yung nagawa ko sa manager?
Yeah, I guess siguro regrets is to say more thank you and appreciate more yung trabaho and laging nag-whine about how hard it is, but to be more thankful na meron kang trabaho. I'm not saying na I'm not thankful during that time, but I'm not so open about it. And we often joke na ang dami-daming trabaho sa plan. And we seldom acknowledge na that work is our bread and butter. And we should do our best to comply.
May gusto kang pasalam, isang tao, pinaka-favorite person mo sa inyo. And mensahe mo na rin sa kanya, him or her.
Sir Herbie. Kasi the best head talaga siya. Hi, Sir Herbie. Kasi siya yung boss na sasabihin niya, enjoy yung work kahit ang hirap-hirap na. Tapos, in-encourage niya yung bawat isa na mahalin yung trabaho na mag-enjoy sa ginagawa. Dapat, hindi mo iniisip na mahirap yung trabaho. Tapos siya yung boss na, alam mo yun, mag-uutos siya na gawin mo, hindi siya gano'n. Alam mo, gawin natin. Gano'n siya. And in-encourage ka yung palagi. So, hindi namin naramdaman na hirap yung trabaho kasi we work as
And Ma'am Shek, kung meron kang gusto pasalamatan.
Of course, I would like to say thank you for my Mia family, for my planning, design, and surveying family, and of course, my closest friends was always there to support me and guide me and make the work easier. Thank you so much for the 5 fruitful years of staying at me.
If destiny allow us na makasama kayo ulit sa Ma'am Ande,
pag pinibigyan tayo ng pagkakataon, pwede natin i-consider. Kasi ang Mia talaga yun nga lang, kailangan natin unahin yung mga priorities namin. We should have family, yung mga bata. Pero siguro by that time na mag-open ang doors para sa mga tanggapin ulit kami ng Mia, we will be grateful na mag-serve ulit sa public through Mia.
Ma'am Shek.
Yes, of course, my door is open. Always.
And ano naman ang message ninyo sa mga aspiring na applicants na gusto pumasok sa inyo?
Go for Tia. You know what? As a civil engineer, sabi nga nila, we are one of the profession who builds. We are present because we build more. Comparing to other professions who occurs because of sickness, because of bad things like crimes. But we civil engineers and considering working at NIA, it's a great opportunity and a very good service. You can offer a service to the Filipinos with your skills.
We should also consider working at NIA kasi when you are working at NIA, hindi ka lang isang basta-bastang public servant because we serve the Filipino farmers and they are a very important part of our community na kung saan they provide food for all of us and irrigation system ang #1 provider nila para magawa nila lahat ng yun. So if you are part of NIA, isang malaking bagay yun na malaking contribution yun sa ating mga farmers. At ang sarap magtrabaho sa Nia dahil hindi lang yung passion support na ginagawa mo, kundi yung willingness mo na tumulong sa ating mga kapwa-community.
Wow, thank you so much. Let's do the last part of our program, the Unbox. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to Unbox. This is the last part and we will do the fast talk. One person na sana mas nakalapit mo pa.
Si RD, kasi siya yung bagong pasok niya.
Si Joy.
Okay. 3 words that best describes me.
A family, loving and caring.
A friend. A team. And a family.
Office work, field work.
Field work.
Good work.
Material testing, planning design.
Siyempre, madilang testing.
Yes.
3 words that best describes yourself.
Patient, obedient, cheerful.
Okay.
Patient, confident, and hardworking.
5 years from now, I am, cite your name and bigyan ng katulad. 5 years from now, I am.
Charity for that. And I am a mom. Mom of 2.
5 years from now, I am.
Angelica Flores, and mom of 3, and also had a business.
Wow! So that concludes our knowledge harvesting for today from the Blue Box and Mateo Isabela. And thank you for our guests, Ma'am She and Ma'am Angel.
Thank you for having us. I always tell now. Oh my gosh, Henry, cut that part. The greatest story I can share during my stay here is hindi ko talaga alam yung isasagot ko. Ha?
Ano yung pinaka-favorite part?
Wala!
Ano pinaka-gusto?
Wait, pwede mag-isip mo na.
Hindi ko na siya ako
Oo, sumay ko ang anak na ako. Ganyan po mga tanong.
Wala ka naman.
patient, confident, and
Hardworking.
hardworking.
Thank you.